That sound is the sound of your data dying mid-ride. You're pushing your limits, chasing a KOM, but if your bike computer can't keep up, did the effort even happen? The wrong computer doesn't just give you bad data, it steals your progress, misguides your training, and leaves you lost. We've logged over 5,000 kilometers with the latest units to find the 5 that deliver pinpoint accuracy, bulletproof reliability, and features that actually make you faster. The number 1 pick redefined what we thought was possible. All links for the best prices are in the description below. Let's find your perfect cycling partner. Starting at number 1. Hammerhead Karoo. Best navigation. For the updated Karoo, Hammerhead's new owner, SRAM, addressed many of the Karoo 2's shortcomings and improved the computer's overall functionality. The new Karoo, SRAM doesn't call it Karoo 3, doesn't look or function much differently from the Karoo 2. Among the new features are a dedicated power button, improved battery life, up to 35 hours in low power mode, an ambient light sensor, and automatic backlight control. Hammerhead has a companion app for your smartphone. It offers automatic ride uploads and live tracking. You can send a link to family or friends to track your ride progress. Another Hammerhead strong suit is its bi-weekly software updates that remedy bugs and add useful features. Combined with the ability to sideload third-party apps, the Karoo's function constantly improves. Karoo's navigation and touchscreen function are best in class. Route planning on the fly is easy. A feature we love is navigating to any Google Maps destination shared via the Hammerhead app. The Karoo's UI is also intuitive, and it's easy to find functions or customize the screens, versus the bloated interfaces on some competitors' cycling computers. Number 2. Wahoo Fitness Elent Roam V3. Best navigation. Newly overhauled for 2025, Wahoo's Elent Roam is consistently one of our favorite cycling computers. Updates to the Roam V3 over the V2 include a larger touchscreen display, dual-band GPS for enhanced connection in mountains and dense woods, 64 GB internal storage, and improved battery life. In addition to the V3's larger size and weight, Wahoo added a speaker for voice navigation and an integrated bell, activated with a quick 2-finger tap on the screen. However, Wahoo removed the V2's fan-favorite LED status lights. Additionally, we found the screen brightness a bit dim in our testing compared to Garmin and Hammerhead displays. As noted by Shabanov in his detailed review of the Roam, beyond its overall solid reliability, the Roam is a standard mid-tier bike computer. It features a slew of handy navigation features, including turn-by-turn directions, navigate to start, back on track, mountain bike trail integration, saved locations, retrace route, and take me to. Number 3. Karoo's Dura Solar GPS Bike Computer. Best battery life. At $250, the Karoo's Dura is a remarkable value. The Dura's most notable feature is its claimed 120-hour run time. In Shabanov's story, Karoo's Dura cycling computer promises incredible battery life. Does it deliver? He reported, "I haven't gotten that close to Karoo's claims, but I have recorded 61 hours of riding in between charges." While the Dura is far from perfect, it does the basics well. You can pair almost anything with a Bluetooth or ANT Plus connection, and if you like doing structured workouts, you can import existing workouts from Training Peaks, Intervals, and a long list of other training apps. Given the features and changes Karoo's has already implemented since we started testing the Dura over a year ago, and Karoo's track record with its watches, the brand will continue to improve its cycling computer. However, unless a rider needs multi-day battery life, we're unsure if the Dura will be enough to tempt existing Garmin, Wahoo, or Hammerhead riders away from their feature-rich devices. But, for riders who only want a cycling computer that does the basics well and is literally half the price of many competitors, the Karoo's Dura is hard to look past. Number 4. Garmin Edge 1040 Solar. Best for data geeks. By adding solar charging, Garmin improved what was already one of the most robust and feature-rich bike computers. The Edge 1040 Solar features Garmin's energy-capturing power glass, which lasts up to 45 hours of standard use, or up to 100 hours in battery-save mode. The solar charging would be impressive on its own, but factoring in the Edge 1040's large 3.5-inch color touchscreen and a host of features not found elsewhere gives this cycling computer a leg up on its equally priced rivals. These features include event-specific training plans and suggested workouts that let you tailor your preparation, and alerts to help you optimize nutrition and hydration in the moment. Additional cycling metrics, such as ride length, bike position, and ambient temperature, help you to chart performance over the long term. For mountain bikers, the 1040 also measures the difficulty of a ride, grit, and how smoothly you descend. Navigation features, powered by multi-band GNSS technology, include turn-by-turn directions, ride-specific maps that show popular routes used by locals wherever you are, and off-course recalculation that you're able to pause in the event you're in an exploring mood. Mountain bikers on our test team particularly love its integration with the MTB-specific TrailForks app in Fork Sight mode, a TrailForks feature. It enables a zoomed-out map of your location in a trail network as you approach a fork. Context, as anyone who routinely rides trails knows, is everything. Lastly, Garmin has added some thoughtful safety features, including the ability to automatically send an emergency message to your specified contacts when it detects a crash, group messaging, and a Follow My Ride that shares your real-time position with friends and family. Number 5. Wahoo Eland Ace. Biggest screen. Wahoo goes literally huge with its newest computer, the Eland Ace. The screen's real estate is impressive, as is the battery life, up to 30 hours, and it features Wahoo's signature user-friendliness. Matt Phillips summed up his full review of the Eland Ace, saying, "If you crave big and bold, this is your cycling computer." The Ace's supersized screen area offers room for large and easy-to-read data fields, and the touchscreen function is excellent, even while wearing gloves. Wahoo's signature page zoom function, use the up and down buttons to zoom in on fewer fields or out on more fields, quickly makes prioritized fields even larger. This is helpful if you want to concentrate on one metric, and for riders with vision challenges. It also provides a very big map, or a large map plus additional data fields, and spoken turn-by-turn directions. So, there you have it. The data doesn't lie. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a dedicated racer, one of these 5 computers will transform your time on the bike. If this in-depth guide helped you navigate the specs and find the right tool for your needs, please smash that like button and share this with your riding crew. To get your hands on any of these game changers, all the direct links, plus any discount codes we've secured, are waiting for you in the description. For more tech breakdowns, training tips, and reviews to make you a faster cyclist, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single update. Now get out there and ride!